Hello, I'm Coach Georgianne Holland at Holland Health Coaching in Colorado. If you're wondering whether or not you are at risk for type 2 diabetes, you don't have to call the doctor, not yet anyway. There are quizzes online that you can take to help you determine your risk. Let's work on that together, you and I. I'd love to save you some time and offer my expert help. I have a favorite risk assessment quiz to share with you. It was created by the American Diabetes Association, and that is a resource you can trust. The questions on the quiz are scored by you. You don't have to wait for a phone call back from me, the doctor, or anyone else. Write down your answers on the quiz or give the quiz to a loved one who may be at risk. In the privacy of your own home, now is the time to be honest with yourself. This quiz is going to ask you questions about your age, gender, history as a mom, if you are one, how many direct relatives have had a problem with diabetes, your blood pressure, your physical activity habits, and your body size, from a helpful chart provided in the quiz. If your score is 5 or higher on the quiz, you may be at greater risk than you realized for type 2 diabetes, and now is the time to find out what you can do to lower that risk. If you score below 5, you likely don't have type 2 diabetes, yet it's possible that you have prediabetes. How would you know? I'm a diabetes educator who specializes in helping people find the solution to their prediabetes diagnosis at home. Did you know that the path to prediabetes is triggered by problems with how the body makes or uses insulin over time, perhaps even over a 10-year time frame? Insulin, it acts like a key that allows blood sugar to interlock cells where it's supposed to go and can be burned for fuel or stored for later. But in some people, especially those who are overweight, the key cannot open the lock. This is called insulin resistance. Our bodies know what to do when we are insulin resistant. When we eat the right kind of food, not so much is stored in the fat cells for later use. Our body is smart that way. When we are resistant and we don't eat the right kind of food, the pancreas pumps out more and more insulin, trying to use the glucose in our blood as fuel. Not everyone's pancreas can keep up with the demand placed on it, and if your pancreas is overworking or deteriorating, that's when blood sugar reaches the diabetes range. If you took the quiz and are at risk for developing type 2 diabetes, I'd like to introduce you to the solution. You can, in the privacy of home, stop the progression from prediabetes to type 2 diabetes. That is what I've taught my VIP coaching clients in Colorado, and now I've prepared a remarkable program called Solution Starter for Prediabetes. I want to share this with people all around the country. Yes, your current health situation developed at home over years, and you can make the simple self-caring decisions at home to support your pancreas, insulin, and awesome blood. Our bodies are so smart and want to develop and maintain strong, good health. We can work with our body instead of against it and do just that. I invite you to contact me today to find out more about this online solution starter for prediabetes.